is this, Daryl? You know the size of the tank?
This 1800, he's got all the information on this.
1800.
Yeah, it's got 3 tanks. I think it's 1,000, a 5, and a 3.
Good running truck.
He's got the information on it.
Yeah. Sir?
Can you go backwards and forwards?
Oh no, it's fine.